Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain and give you an idea about using lux meter module BH1750. So this is the module. It's utilize the I2C connection over here, and it's require 3.3 volt. Before this, I have the experience connecting it using the 5 volt. However, after quite some times it's not compatible enough, so I may suggest you to use the 3.3 instead of the 5 volt. So the connections are very simple. You have here ground on the right side of this video, and then you have a VCC over here. So make sure that you connect the VCC to 3.3 volt over there, and then you are going to connect the ground to the ground of the module. And then you have here is SDA and SCL. As you know, the SDA must be connected to our A4, which is the green color over here, and then my A5 is the SCL. So the connections are very simple, and if you want to change the address, you can also use the ADD over here. This is indication of the address changes. If you are required any second sensor and so on that you are going to utilize it, you perhaps need to attach the address here with the 5 volt. But in this video, I'm just going to quickly give you at a glance about this sensor and then program it in a simplified manner. So actually, we have also another module like this, the smaller one. It's also using the similar chip. So you can see over here the pin out are almost the same, but the configurations and the layout are a little bit different, where the VCC and the ground over there are being indicated as shown in this video. So whereby this one is quite big, and then you can rearrange it accordingly. So as I mentioned, the VCC or the power that needed by this module is around 3.3 volt, so that you can last long use this kind of module. So let us dive into the coding section for this project. So you can see over here we got the BH1750 sketch test. You can download the sketch actually available, and also the library available in our GitHub repository. It's actually available through online. You can also download it from the link given in the attachment below, and then you can just go to your examples, and then you can proceed with the module name as BH1750, and then you can open the test. So this is the sketch of the BH1750 test, and it's utilizing the use of I2C connection. And then you can select your tools with regard to your Arduino Uno, and then select also the appropriate COM port. Okay, and then you can straight away upload the code. So please bear in mind that my setup over here is actually use very high intensity light, so that the value that you are going to observe after this is quite significant. So let us wait for a while until the upload is finished into our microcontroller, and then we shall see the action after we open up the serial monitor after this. Okay, so the sketch is done uploading, and then we can open our serial monitor on the right corner over there. Okay, so this is the reading of our test. So it's initialized the test. So you can see over here we got 3000 something. So this is the sensor. On my fingertip over here is showing the sensor. You can block the sensor, for example, and then it's showing the difference with regard to the use of the hand to filter the current exposure to the light. And then if I open the hand over there, you can see how sensitive enough the use of this light. Okay, so we are going to learn the use of this particular sensor in terms of making the illuminance mapping. So before I end up this video, let me just show to you the differences when we compare with the Arduino experiment. I have here is Arduino Uno, Arduino Science Journal, and then we are going to see the difference in terms of the value over there. So it's quite accurate if you compare to the a ready-made sensor from your phone and also from the module. So this module is usually being used for any mobile phone devices application with regard to the use of the lux meter. So the illuminance or the lux is very important in indoor environment quality. We shall discuss that one later on in the near future. So that is sum up everything about this video. If you like this video, please do consider like, share and subscribe, and please do not forget to ask any question with regard to the use and applications of this module. Until then, see you again next time, and bye bye.